Aloha everyone, this is Lenora, Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Remember in an earlier video, we roasted the turkey and underneath was all the vegetables. So at the end, the vegetables are very soft like this. So this is carrots, onions, and celery. So what I did was I heated it up and I took out all the grease or the butter from the turkey. So this is the butter, but I didn't want all of that in the gravy. So now what I'm going to do is to put all these vegetables in my blend tech. Vegetables and the broth, which is really, really tasty from the turkey seasonings. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grind this up. Wait. Just a few seconds. And this is it. Let's see. The consistency is somewhat thick. This is the thickness of the gravy, which I think is enough. So you can see there's no flour or any kind of thickening. So I'm just going to pour it into a gravy bowl. And you can see this. Now, if you want more gravy or you want it thicker, what you can do is have some stock, because when I cook the bones and all the trimmings, I make a good broth. And then you can also add some cornstarch and water. But I think this is really good as is. So this is the consistency. So this is it. Remember, if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and comment. And if you have any requests, let me know. But you can see how healthy this gravy is. There's no thickening of any kind. The natural thickness, and you don't have to feel guilty about eating so much oil and so much starch in it.